Our next stop is in central Colorado, at the old mining town of Leadville. The Leadville, Colorado and Southern takes passengers on a 22-mile round trip along a portion of the old Denver, South Park and Pacific, which later became a part of the Colorado and Southern. Steam locomotive number 641 is on display as a reminder of the CNS days. The train departs Leadville caboose first, with the locomotive pulling on the return trip. After leaving Leadville, our train enters a forest of aspen and pine. We're on one of the first trips of the season, thus there are a few empty seats on the train. Ever since it was built, this railroad has been called the High Line, a name that is easy to see as we cling to a narrow shelf high above the valley below. This railroad was originally built as a narrow gauge line. It was opened in 1884 by the Denver, South Park and Pacific Railroad. Constructed to tap the riches of the many mines in the area, it continued hauling ore until the last mine along the line closed back in 1986. The line was purchased by the current owners the next year, in 1987, and they've been running excursion trains since 1988. At Birdseye, we round a 20-degree curve, which is much sharper than is usually found on a standard gauge railroad.